Hey, what's up, traders? Just a quick reminder, we're still doing this contest. If you'd like, comment, subscribe to all the videos that I post this month. We're going to pick somebody who's done that for the course of the month and give them free access to the full academy. And if you already have access to the academy, some sort of call with me. So check out our video for a winner of last month for February, and I'll probably hop on a call with you anyway. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll choose a winner at the end of the month. And thanks for your support. Peace.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's March 15th, 2020. And yeah, so this is our weekly update video. I had already recorded everything, and then right when the markets opened, the Fed announced that they were going to cut rates down to 0. And so everything that I had done pretty much just went out the window. So that's what it's going to be like this week, I have a feeling. So, man, so be sure before you get into anything, and this is going to be the theme for this video, just trade safe and small. Anything can happen right now. Like, the world's panicking. Well, not the world, but a lot of people are, especially in Europe, UK, United States. So it's I've never seen anything like this in my lifetime, for sure, and it's a dangerous time. I guess it's dangerous. I don't know, but the financial markets are really dangerous. That is for sure. So, man, I just sent a signal right now for EURUSD. Technically, it looks good. Let's have a look at it. And you know, just to sum it all up, selling risk in rallies like selling USDJPY, Euro Yen is going to be a great play. Like, this was my game plan for Friday, or for all week last week, and we crushed it. We were chasing UJ on Friday and hit some stop losses, which was frustrating. And now, you know, the market opened up and we're at 106.5 or something like that. I'm just looking at my phone right now. So yeah, it's a crazy environment. 105.8, excuse me, we were at 108. So, man, you know, be smart. Don't try to chase these moves, and, you know, trade small for sure. I don't really know what else to say. Let's take a look at EURUSD though, and please like, subscribe, comment on our channel. I'm actually, if you're wondering, in Colombia right now, and that's not really much coronavirus going on here. People are actually like partying and doing salsa in the streets over there. So yeah, it's at the beach. I don't know. I'm going to come back to the United States if it gets worse. I don't really know what to do, to be honest. Should I believe all the hype that's going on? I think it's important for you guys to have that kind of approach when you're looking at everything that's going on. Like, hey, what's the big picture going on right now? So that's the way I'm trying to look at it. But yeah, it's hot as hell out here, but it's a good time. I'm super apprehensive about the market, so I will say that for sure. I really don't want to jump in, you know, head in, even though we do have this Euro trade. And of course, the reason I did it, there is technical reasons behind it for sure. But you got to remember right now, technical analysis just doesn't really matter. Like, you know, one headline and boom, we're going the other way. So the technical analysis side of things, as good as I'm a pretty decent technician, I guess you would say. But, you know, right now, doesn't really matter. So, but you can see right here, this is that big breakout that we had, you know, at the start of this, like when the S&P 500 was looking to go, was, you know, dropping. And then this was the move. I'm going to erase some of these trend lines. This was the move right here where everybody's funding with the getting out of their other assets, buying euros, trying to get out of everything going on. And then this is like the kind of oh shit mark where everybody's like, oh my God, I just need to get out of everything and just get US dollars because it's the safest thing in the long run. And so this is where that big dollar rally came. But from a technical standpoint, I do like this. I like this setup a lot, for sure. I'm actually going to pause this, send it out to the group. 1 second. Okay, so I just sent that out to the group, but yeah, so you can see we broke out and broke down, and we gapped when we gapped higher. So the reason we gapped is because the Fed's announcement to just slash rates, interest rates to zero, which is where we're at now in the United States, which, you know, should significantly weaken the dollar. But depending on everything that's going on now, you know, at some point, people are just going to be like, only thing that's safe in the long run is dollars, and then eventually gold probably, and maybe we'll see gold rally back up this week. I'd like to think so. So yeah, and here we go. Let's take another look at the S&P 500 now. So, you know, we have to, even if you're not trading it, you got to be watching this thing, what it's doing. Actually, it hasn't even opened yet on the FX choice. Let's see here. I think I can get to a pause. So my brokers now haven't opened yet for the S&P 500. So, but I know that we've gapped lower here as well. There's a very high chance that we go limit down again, which means, you know, the plug gets pulled. So I don't know at what point people are going to be like this is the worst thing that's happened. One of the worst ever, if not. I mean, it's turning out to be. It's very, very bad. I don't think people understand personally at the level of how bad the financial markets are breaking down right now. It's very alarming for sure, if anything. But let's take a look at Aussie US dollar, massive wick here. We're still just trying to push lower. We're like at the bottom on Aussie, US dollar. All my brokers have different quotes going on too. And so just to show you, just a minute ago, I said, oh, okay, we're at 105.8 on UJ, and we're at 106.3 right now. Like, if isn't like what the hell, man? You know what I mean? Like, that's so for that reason right there, you have to be very careful. So, but what I would like to see, this could be a very good rally to sell here. So maybe we close this gap. I doubt it, but move higher. It's windy out here. And so what I was saying here for you, Jay, is maybe we get a move to 107, and it's going to create more than likely an excellent selling opportunity for you, Jay, buying yen rather. EURUSD got a nice bounce higher here. And honestly, this looks like a good potentially buying. So, okay, so just to have as an example, and this is why I'm just going to end this video, 118.93, 119.09. The spreads are massive right now. And like on a technical basis, just to look at this for technical analysis, we've broken higher. This looks like a great dip to buy because we're back inside this triangle formation. You know what? I think I might like to try it. I'm going to pause this. Actually, you know what? The spreads are too big. So I can't send that out to the group like with, 15, 20 pip spreads right now. And it just moving, if I put a 40 pip stop loss on there and it moves like that in a second, people are like, dude, stop loss. You know what I mean? Like, so the markets are crazy right now. I don't know what else to say. For me to do a weekly outlook video is almost absurd at this point because I hate to say that your guess is as good as mine, but what I will say is that I am looking to any opportunity to, buy yen. I think it's going to be a good one, francs, and maybe we'll see a run higher in gold. Excuse me. I'm going to be watching S&P 500 very, very, very closely. So, man, it's crazy trading out there. Be careful, be safe. Don't be a hero right now. I post about that on my Instagram. And wash your hands. I don't know what else to say. Like, cover your mouth. And hopefully this is over, man. I think this is, there's only like 6,000 confirmed deaths. More people die from heart disease every year, obesity, alcoholism. In the United States, heroin overdoses. I mean, like, times 10. So, I wish we would try to tackle those problems with the same intensity that's going on here. But what has happened is everybody is in a state of compliance and fear. So there's probably something bigger going on without me getting into some conspiracy theory stuff. But, if you want to go there with me, feel free to shoot me a message. And, yeah, man, I'll be in the VIP chat room. If you found this video helpful, I know that we didn't go into too much analysis. Like I said, everything changed right after I'd done it over once the market opened. So, and the Fed slashed rates to 0. So let's take a look at our EURUSD trade at least. See how that panned out. Saguru, he did a little live talk about the coronavirus today. We're kind of down here at the entry point. Moved a little bit higher. And we're pretty close to our first take profit target, which is good. So I feel really good about this trade, EURUSD to the long side. So if you want to hop in there, just remember, trade small, be safe out there. And if you want to get started in our amazing, amazing group of traders, click the link below to get started. It's windy out here, dude. So I'm going to get off here, and I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace.